What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email forwarding on OnlineJobs.ph. Now, once you're in your account and you receive job offers or you send emails or receiving emails, you will notice that you'll have this communication. You will receive email to your personal email address and also within the mailbox here, right? So if you want to turn it off, just simply click on your messages and you will have the option under this page to be able to, let's say, turn off email forwarding. Because, if you don't want to have those emails in your mailbox, then you can turn it off so that you're not having your email being full up with loads and loads of email, basically in multiple places, right? So if you just want to log on to online jobs profile and check your inbox here and not receiving them in your email, then you can do this. So once you're on the messages page, you can click, for example, on red, and in the lower right hand side, you will find this settings gear. You can click on it. It's a gear to change your email notification settings. You click on that, and from here, you can toggle off this and click on update. This is going to ensure that email are not forwarded to your mailbox, and so your mailbox will not be cluttered. You will still have emails here, right? But you don't have to worry about emails being coming into your personal Gmail or whichever email address you have connected to this. And that's it, guys.